Lulu is going to help me. Oh, she's dancing. Come on, you want to help. Ow. 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 What? You like it? Yes, you do. Yeah, you're dancing. You dance? Aha! Maybe she doesn't want to dance. Maybe you should be a bowler or something. I don't know. Oh, okay. Yeah, like, I would be the worst pussycat doll ever, because I'm all like, I can't do this with a straight face. Like, I'm gonna be all like, ah.